Hello viewers, how you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video, I'm using two indicators, and the results of these two indicators are awesome. I will show you a lot of entries, and you have need to watch how much accuracy you are getting. Okay, and let's see the. Okay, let's start the video. Just a small request: please subscribe my channel and must like my video if you like my strategy. Okay, here you can see there is a yellow line histogram like this one, and there is another histogram like this one, and there is a band lines. Okay, and there is a RSI. This is one is the RSI, 100% non-repainted indicator. Just need to watch it carefully. Okay, and okay, let's start. Here you can see the yellow line. When the yellow line come upside from the middle line, okay, and the histogram is also green one, you have need to open your buy position. Okay, this candle is your open your buy position, put your stop loss here and take profit 1/1 ratio. That's it. Okay, you can hopefully you understand the whole strategy now. Like this one, the yellow line come below from the middle line, histogram is red, so uh, take entry, put your stop loss, and 1/1 ratio take profit. That's it. You can see it's a very simple but it's a very effective strategy. Let me show you some more thing. Here you can see at this point you can see we got the yellow line come upside, and the histogram is also green one. So this is your buy position, put your stop loss here and take profit 1/1 ratio, and that awesome. Okay, let's see more results. Okay, let's see. Here you can see this yellow line come below, and the histogram is also red one. So you can take it. Yes, you can open your sell position, put your stop loss, small stop loss, and 1/1 ratio. It's the easy one. Okay, you can see that is a very effective scalping strategy, 100% on repented. Here you go again, buy position, put your stop loss, and 1/1 ratio take profit, and you can see that look awesome. Here we go again at this candle, in this candle. Okay, you got the entry, put your stop loss, and 1/1 ratio stop loss take profit, and you can see that look awesome. Okay, if you will further look here, you can see market goes downside, but here you can see market going upside. This yellow line come upside, histogram was also green one. So this is your buy entry. Yes, you can take buy entry, put your stop loss here. This one is your stop loss, and not effective at this point. But I will show you one more thing that is very important. Here when the yellow line come upside, this is your entry point in this candle. Okay, and the point when the got the entry, the price for 115 actually. Okay, and 115 okay, it's a $221 movement. So this is actually a scalping. Remember, this is actually scam. Let me show you the results in gold. Okay, because mostly people demand the indicator that perfectly fine on the gold. Okay, let's find out the perfect results. Okay, here we go, let's find out. RSI is green one, histogram, and the this one. You can see this is your entry point, put your stop loss, and you can see. Let's find out more entries. Okay, from this point you can see the green line, yellow line come upside, but look at the RSI. RSI is the red one, so we do not need to open buy position. But at this point you can see yellow line come below, histogram was red, RSI is red. So put your entry at in this candle. This is your entry point, put your stop loss, and you can see the results. Let me show you some more entries. Here we got the sell signal as well. Here buy and sell signals, but we are ignoring the buy and sell signal because there are a lot of buy and sell signal, and lot of fake signal as well. Like this one is your fake signal. You can see this is a very huge loss. So that's is the reason I am ignoring buy and sell signal. Just need to focus on the non-repented strategy. Okay, so that is the reason I'm showing you this one. Okay, let's find out more entries. Here we go. Let me show you some more results here. Here we go. This one RSI is green. Oh, sorry, red one. Yellow line come below, histogram red. So put your entry, put your stop loss, 1/1 ratio, take profit. That's it. Okay. Let's find out more entries. In this candle you got the entry. Okay. RSI was red, you got the entry, price was 3,337 and price goes from 37 to 35. It's actually $2 movement. Okay, that's actually not good one, and not a bad one at all. You can take small profit because it's a scalping strategy. Okay, look at this one. This one is your entry, put your stop loss, and you can see your stop loss did not hit, and 1/1 ratio, take profit. Okay, let's find out more entries. Here we go. It come upside, yellow, RSI green, and this one is your entry point in this candle, and you can scalping and take small profit, close the trade. Here we go again, take small profit, close the trade. Okay. Let me show you some more entries. Okay, in this candle, you got the entry. Okay, and you can see the results that look awesome. Here we go again, sell entry on this candle. You can see histogram, yellow line, histogram, and the RSI. So that's easy. If we look at this one, that is actually scalping. When all the conditions to take entries, book small profit, close the trade. That's it. RSI is green, histogram is also green one, and the yellow line upside, take entry, take small profit, close the trade. That's it. Here we go again, entry point in the next, take profit, and conditions are true, so take profit. That's it. Let's find out more entries. Chart is loading. I will show you lot of entries like RSI red, yellow line is below, histogram red. So take entry, take small profit, close the trade. That's it. Okay, let me show you some more. At this point, this one, this candle is your entry point. This one is your entry point. Let me show you this one. This one is your entry point. RSI is red, yellow line below, histogram red. So take entry, sell entry, take small profit, close the trade. That's it. Okay, at this kind you can go for the buy trade because but this is not effective one. Okay, let's find out more entries. Sell one. At this point you can take entry, take small profit, close the trade. Okay, the highest or the lowest points will be your stop loss. Okay, let's find out more entries. At this point, this one red one, then change into green one, and RSI green one, histogram red, green, and the yellow line is upside and green one also, and the histogram is also green one. So take entry, put your stop loss, take profit, and close the trade. Here you go again at this point. Okay, and you can see the results. Okay, let's find out more entries. Actually this is a volume. Okay, when the here you will go, let me show you clearly example. Here you can see histogram is green one, and there is a no buy volume, or no sell volume, only buy volume. Okay, and you can see market goes upside. Here you can see no sell volume, only buy volume. Okay, take entry and take profit. That's it. Okay, there will be lot of point when you will see there is no. Here you can see in this candle you got the entry. If there is no sell volume, only buy volume, and you can see you can take small profits. Okay, and if you will see more here, is a huge sell volume. There is a buy volume as well, but there is a huge sell volume. You can see the market goes amazing downside. Okay, here you can see there is a buy volume, only buy volume. Histogram is also good, and you can see market going amazing upside. Okay, that is the magic of this indicator. Hopefully you will understand the whole concept of this two indicator, and by using two indicator you will get effective trades, very effective trades. Okay, and that's it. I think I give you the whole details, and hopefully you will love it. And any question, any query, you can ask me. I will show you the contact details now, how you can get this indicator. If you need the indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, at the rate simple hoga one, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Okay, Gmail simple hoga at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this indicator as usual. And if you like the video, then of course you will like the video, and like must subscribe the channel. Okay, any query, any question, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.